Nestled in the University of Iowa water treatment plant, a group of researchers are trying to figure out if some of Iowa's smallest creatures could help solve a big problem for the state and country. Iowa is a major contributor to increasing nitrate levels due to both natural causes and synthetic fertilizer use. Dr. Craig Just of the University of Iowa explains.
Mussels eat, puke, and poop. When they eat things like phytoplankton or algae, those things are plants or living organisms that grow with nitrogen as a fertilizer, so they have nitrogen in them. The mussels eat those things as they filter water, and then they can either puke some of those things back out, kind of partially digested, or they can run those things through their digestive system just like humans would, and then excrete things in the form of feces and essentially urine.
In order to study the mussels' effects in the Iowa River, graduate student Jonathan Durst built a habitat specifically for the mussels.
So my project, which is behind me, I basically built a laboratory habitat to house freshwater mussels so that we could study their influence on the nitrogen cycle in natural waters. So the way it works is we draw water from the Iowa River, which is tapped off at the University of Iowa water plant, and that's delivered up here to a head tank that's chilled in a cooler, and then that water then gravity drains to 6 tanks. 4 of those tanks have freshwater mussels, which we harvested from the Iowa River. 2 of the tanks do not, and we use those as control tanks.
Dr. Justin and his associates hope their mussel research will lead to positive outcomes in water quality for all Iowans and those affected by excess nutrients in their water supplies.